Hey there, writers and researchers. Welcome back to Wazi's Tutorial Hub, where we explore the latest tools and tips to make your academic journey smoother. Today, we're uncovering 6 AI-powered tools that are changing the game for writing essays, citations, and journal articles. Let's dive right in. An AI assistant that not only helps you brainstorm and find sources, but also makes sure your writing is polished and professional. Sounds amazing, right? Let's check out 6 tools that do just that. 1. First up is Grammarly. More than just a spell checker, Grammarly suggests style improvements, checks your tone, and ensures your writing is clear and impactful. 2. Next, meet Zotero. This tool is a lifesaver for managing references. You can save articles directly from your browser and generate citations with just a few clicks. 3. Then there's QuillBot. Need to rephrase a sentence without losing its meaning? QuillBot's got you covered with its smart paraphrasing capabilities. 4. Ever struggled with outlining your research? Scalenut uses AI to generate content ideas and outlines, making the planning phase a breeze. 5. Jasper is another powerful tool. It helps you create content from scratch, whether you need a paragraph, a list of ideas, or even creative content based on specific prompts. 6. And of course, there's ChatGPT. From drafting text to answering complex questions, this AI can be your go-to for almost any writing challenge. 7. Now, let's talk about Scrivener. It's more than just a word processor, it's a project management tool that helps you organize your research, notes, and drafts all in one place. 8. Next is Hemingway Editor. This tool helps you simplify your writing by highlighting complex sentences and suggesting ways to make your text more readable. 9. We also have Mendeley. Like Zotero, it's great for managing references, but it also doubles as a social network for researchers, allowing you to discover and share papers. 10. Finally, meet Paperpile. This reference manager is perfect for those who work in Google Docs, seamlessly integrating citations and bibliographies right into your documents. These 10 AI tools are revolutionizing the way we write, research, and organize our academic work. From simplifying citations to enhancing your writing style, they've got you covered. Whether you're writing an essay or working on a dissertation, these AI tools can make your work more efficient and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content here on Wazi's Tutorial Hub.